Today's topic is calculation of radius of a tetrahedral void. This is a unit cell, and this one, the shaded sphere, it is a tetrahedral void. And this tetrahedral void is present. It is present at the body diagonal. We know that at a body diagonal there are two tetrahedral voids. So this tetrahedral void is present at the body diagonal. Now we are making a triangle A, B, C, and second one is A, B and D. Let us assume that let R is the radius of the tetrahedral void. R, capital R, it is the radius of the sphere. A, it is the edge length. AB, it is the face diagonal, and AD, it is the body diagonal. Now remember that in a face diagonal, two spheres are in contact with each other. In a body diagonal, three spheres are in contact with each other. Now let us assume the triangle ABC. In this triangle AB square, it will be equal to AC square plus BC square. Or AC, it is the edge length, therefore it is A square. BC, it is also the edge length, therefore it is A square. It is equal to 2A square. Therefore AB, it will be root 2A. Now AB, it is the face diagonal. This is the face diagonal AB. Now in face diagonal, two spheres are in contact with each other. This is AB. Two spheres are in contact with each other. The radius of this sphere, it is R. This one is also R. Therefore AB will be how much? AB will be equal to R plus R, that is, it is equal to 2R. Therefore we can say that 2R, it is equal to root 2A. Therefore R, it is equal to root 2 by 2A, that is, it is A by root 2. So the radius of a sphere, it is equal to A by root 2. Now again let us consider triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, which is a right angle triangle, AD square, it will be equal to AB square plus BD square. Now AB is equal to how much? It is equal to root 2A. Therefore it is equal to root 2A square, and BD, it is the edge. Therefore it is equal to A square. Or it is equal to 2A square plus A square, that is 3A square. Therefore AD, it is equal to root 3A. Now AD is the body diagonal. In body diagonal, three spheres are in contact with each other. So this is suppose a body diagonal. Three spheres are in contact with each other. This one is the tetrahedral void. Now radius of this tetrahedral void is r, it is r, and radius of this sphere, it is r, this one is also r. So AD will be equal to r plus r plus r plus r, that is 2r plus 2r. So AD it is equal to 2r plus 2r. Therefore, we can write here 2r plus r, it is equal to root 3a, or r plus r, it is equal to root 3a by 2. Suppose this is equation 2 and this is equation 1. Now we have to, first equation r it is equal to a by root 2, and in the second equation r plus r it is equal to root 3a by 2. So dividing equation 2 by equation 1, we get, so it is r plus r divided by r, it is equal to root 3a by 2 into root 2 divided by a. Equation 2 divided by equation 1 will give this one. So a it is cancelled. So we can write here r plus r divided by r, it is equal to root 3 divided by root 2, or we can write here 1 plus r by r, it is equal to root 3 divided by root 2, or r by r, it is equal to root 3 by root 2 minus 1. Root 3 equal to 1.732 divided by root 2, it is 1.414 minus 1. So it is equal to 0.225. So we can say that r, that is radius of the octahedral void, radius of the tetrahedral void, it is equal to 0.225 r. So radius of a tetrahedral void, it is equal to 0.225 into r, that is radius of the sphere. Now let us calculate the radius of an octahedral void. The cross section of an octahedron is a square ABCD. This shaded sphere, it is the octahedral void. This is the octahedral void. Now let us assume that r, small r, it is the radius of the octahedral void. Capital R, it is the radius of the sphere. So this is the radius, it is r. This one is the radius, this is also r. This one is the radius, it is also r. This one is the radius, it is also r. So AC will be how much? It will be, this is the radius of the sphere r. Here this one is the octahedral void. So radius it is r, and again it is r. So the diameter is r plus r, that is r plus r, and again this one is the radius of the sphere, that is it is equal to 2r plus 2r. AB will be how much? AB it is equal to r plus r, that is 2r. BC will be how much? It will be also 2r. Now in triangle ABC, which is a right angle triangle, AC square it is equal to AB square plus BC square, or AC equal to root under AB square plus BC square. AB square, AB is equal to how much? 2R, therefore it is equal to 4R square. BC is equal to how much? 2R, therefore it is equal to 4R square, that is root under 8R square. And AC is equal to how much? AC is equal to 2R plus 2R. Now we can write here 2R, it is equal to root under 8R square, that is 2 root 2R minus 2R, or 2R, it is equal to, take 2R as common, it is root 2 minus 1, so 2 will be cancelled out, or R by capital R, it is equal to root 2 minus 1, or R by capital R, root 2 equal to 1.414 minus 1, it is equal to 0.414. So we can write here R by capital R, it is equal to 0.414, or we can write R, it is equal to 0.414 R, that is the radius of an octahedral void, it is equal to 0.414 into the radius of the sphere.